I remember thinking early retirement would be all tropical beaches, sunsets, and zero stress.
Yeah, it turns out it's more like surprise bills, last minute chaos, and a broken pool filter.
We'll get into that later. Now, we're so close to freedom, we can taste it. But let's be real. The journey's been a bit messier than anyone on YouTube promised.
If you're dreaming of ditching the grind early, stick around. We're sharing the real deal, the wins, the face plants, and everything in between.
Laugh with us, learn from us, maybe cry a little with us, who knows, but don't miss this one.
Hi, I'm Mark.
I'm Kenda.
And we're Inc. Nomads Worldwide. This is our early retirement beginning, unfiltered.
Today, we're coming to you from one of our favorite hiking places in Arizona, the White Tanks Mountains. So stick along with us and see the journey.
Let's do it.
Woo!
For all you haters out there who say we're so scripted, today we're doing something a little bit different. How do you like our new vlogging style?
Here we are. So we're heading out for a quick hike this morning. It's already almost 100 degrees, so a quick PSA for anybody. Always be hydrated and wear sunblock, especially if you're inked up, because you don't want those to get messed up for sure. Moving to Arizona was always a huge dream for us, and here we are, almost 8 years later. We made our dream happen.
So now we're moving on to our next bucket list item, which is moving overseas, retiring early, and checking out Southeast Asia.
Check and check.
So we have, this is our last week while we're still in the house. We were just finalizing everything. We did run into a few problems, which are unexpected.
Oh, yeah. Let's start with
Sunday night. We had a bad rainstorm, which we don't get very often in Arizona. And we're sitting there eating dinner. And next thing you know, I said, am I hallucinating or is it raining in our house? Sure enough, the window seal was broken.
Woo.
So we had to get some towels and fix that. That was one problem.
That was one problem.
All right. So secondly, they've been doing a lot of construction behind us. Arizona is growing like crazy and the dirt is just out of control. So the next thing you know, our pool filter has seen better days, and we were told.
I have to just talk about this a little bit. So we've been in our house almost 8 years, have never had issues with pool filter issues, ever. So we just put brand new filters in February. They're not cheap. Cleaned them twice already. It's only May, and now we are told that they're already shot, and we need a bigger pool filter because of all of the construction going on behind us. So that is quite an expense, I would say.
Oh, yeah, it was running about, with the new filter and larger filter, it ran us about $1,800 with install.
Yeah.
And
so that was definitely something we were not anticipating.
But that's just life and getting ready to leave it all behind.
Yeah, and I guess that's one thing that we weren't really prepared for.
But I'm glad it happened now instead of when the renters took over, so that we had to take care of it. So.
Because at least we're here, we can kind of deal with it. Not that we're not going to trust our property manager because we have to, which is a little hard because I'm a control freak, but things happen for a reason. So yeah, this week, everything's going to be done with that. And moving forward, hopefully no more hiccups in the road. I'd love to know if anybody else is out there that's watching this. Have you had any issues, unexpected issues with things happening when you were all ready to move out? Drop a comment and let us know. We'd love to hear. All right, so things that we did accomplish this week. We had to pay off my phone with T-Mobile in order to unlock it because we're gonna have to move forward with new services that are used overseas. So we got the phone unlocked from T-Mobile because we're going to have to move forward with a different carrier so we can have overseas service.
We've been researching from other people on YouTube and other videos we've been watching. They've been recommending either US Mobile or Tello. So we've been doing our diligence and seeing which one it is. It looks at this point, we're going to go with US Mobile. They have a cheaper unlimited talks text plan, and we could use Wi-Fi calling, which we're learning more about as we go. So we'll keep you guys posted in further videos.
Yes, for sure. We had to, of course, pay off the phone. And I have to say, one thing I'm pissed about, they charged us full price for the phone because we paid it off early. If you pay it monthly, you get a discount. But if you want to be nice and pay it off, they're going to hit you with the full amount. So I was a little upset about that, but I digress.
Okay, another thing we wanted to cover in today's video is VPNs. We've been researching that as well. We looked at Nord and Surfshark, which are two reasonable ones, and they also cover many countries, and especially the countries that we're going to be going to in Southeast Asia. We went with Surfshark because it was more reasonable as far as pricing. I think it was $66 or so for 28 months. If you use a code from other influencers and stuff, you can get a little bit of a deal.
Yes, and an amazing thing, if you are a Rakuten person, go on there because we got 90% back. So we're getting $62 back, I think.
Yeah, which is crazy. So always do your research and see if there's any kind of coupon codes and or rebates, because that helps with your funds and your travel expenses.
And that's $60 we can spend on the road.
So we had to fix a few things that the property management said that needed to be done before we got it rented. They said that they had a handyman that could do it for us, but being as cheap as I am, I said we'll do it ourselves. I think we did get it a little bit over our heads because now we started seeing all these little things that we wanted to do. But the house looks amazing and we're ready to go.
Yes, I think it looks really good. And I think the problem is that we know what we did, so our eye goes to it. But I think we did a great job. And honestly, if our international travels don't work out, I think maybe we can become house flippers. What do you think?
I think so, yeah. That's what we should do. So just to talk a little bit about banking, we were doing our research again, which is there's a lot of that. We went with Charles Schwab Platinum card, debit card, which also comes with a brokerage type of account. That was came highly recommended by a lot of expats and nomads. And we're also looking into the Wise card. There's a lot of no ATM transaction fees and foreign transaction fees. So check into those cards. They seem to be pretty awesome while you're overseas.
Yeah, for sure. And if you have any experience with them, we would love to hear.
Yeah, definitely let us know.
For sure, because we're kind of just winging this too. So let us know in the comments below. We would really appreciate it. Another great thing that we're going to be using on the road is our Capital One Venture Card. Not only are we going to be scoring up some miles with everything we spend, but again, no foreign transaction fees. That's very important when you're choosing a card to use overseas.
So things are moving along nicely. We are on track to be out of the house by this weekend, which is around May 16th or so. Then the property management team will come in, do the little fixes that they need to do, take some pictures, and they should put it on the market. So we'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully it rents fast, and we'll keep you guys updated on how that's going.
Yes, and then we will be moving into my mom's.
Yay!
Hopefully for not too long. Once the house rents, then we'll actually have a better idea of when we can hit the road.
So we were thinking, we were originally going to do Vietnam, but looking at the weather and different things and time frame, we're looking at maybe Indonesia, Bali area. So we're looking into places there.
Yeah, we've been to Bali before, but we think we're going to hit some spots that we've never tried. And I think the visa is 2 months there?
Yeah, it's a 30-day visa. If you do it online, then you could reapply for another 30 days. So I think we get 2 months there if all goes well.
So hopefully that will be our starting point once we can get out of here. So it's all coming to head. It's been a little surreal and actually kind of bittersweet. This will probably be the last time we hike this trail.
At least for a while, yes.
Yeah, but overall things are going well. The last things we'll have left to do really is sell our cars.
Yeah, after we put our 2 weeks notice in, as soon as we find out that we signed a contract for the rental property, we'll finalize our plans, the airline tickets, the accommodations in Bali, and then we'll sell our cars.
Yeah, and then that's it. I think that's going to be kind of a whirlwind because at that point, we're going to be really excited and want to hit the road and go. Yeah,
I'm hoping that we could do it sooner than later because it's always cheaper to get the airline tickets and the accommodations ahead of time. So the first few trips or tickets are probably going to be a little bit more expensive than they need to be, but we'll have to make do. And it's best to have that happen now while we still have a little bit extra money from working.
Exactly.
And then we'll move on from there.
The more we do this and the more we learn as we go, I think we're going to be pretty damn great at this.
Yeah, I think so too. We're going to be, we'll probably get our budget down. As of right now, the budget is around $2,000. But from what we've been seeing, if you stay local and shop around, we could probably keep it under budget.
For sure. And he'll make sure of that. I guarantee it. One thing that's really quite shocking is, I think honestly, how fast this has been going. We've been talking about it for such a long time. And now looking around our super empty house and getting ready to move out yet again. It kind of feels weird, but fun at the same time. I'm excited, nervous.
Yeah, I'm very excited also.
Yeah, I think our families are getting very nervous, right?
Yeah, they're definitely starting to question our
our sanity.
our judgment. But overall, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely going to be a life-changing experience. And this is why you don't hike off the trail. Thorns, but wait. Thorns!
Well, there you have it. We're not quite sipping coconuts on a beach just yet, but we're getting there, hiccups and all.
And if you've made it this far, thank you for being part of this wild ride with us. Seriously, we couldn't do it without you guys.
We'll be filling you in on all the juicy details in the upcoming videos, like which phone carrier and VPN we finally picked after way too much research.
And all the other fun and not so fun stuff that comes with chasing freedom and leaving it all behind.
We're glad you're here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we hopefully make it out in one piece.
We're almost there, and we're going to bring you guys with us.
So keep exploring.
Keep thinking.
And we'll catch you on the next one.